the zipper opener, controlled by this cylinder and the pressure. This is the weight checker, inline weight checker. So the load cell is inside here, and with the protection. Here is the protection and mounting, and here is the air cushion to exhaust the air out of the bag.